Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can log in into your Spotify Lite. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, in order for you to go ahead and log in into your Spotify Lite, you have to download it. So I'm simply gonna go ahead and download it through my Play Store. So go ahead and open Play Store and simply search for Spotify Lite, and simply go ahead and click on, there's going to be an install button, so you're going to simply click on install and it's going to download for you. So once you have downloaded and installed Spotify Lite, simply go ahead and tap on the app and open it. So you're going to be on this page where it says sign up, continue with Facebook, or login. If you don't have an account, it's sign up, and if you already have an account that is linked with your Facebook, you can simply click on continue with Facebook as well, but I'm going to simply tap on login. Once you have done that, on the top simply go ahead and enter your email, and on the bottom simply go ahead and enter your password. And finally, once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on login. So there you go, it's as simple as that, and this is how you go ahead and log in into your Spotify Lite. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.